Alright guys, I'm here in Yellowstone National Park. You guys see here on the sign, check this out. Unstable ground, boiling water, stay on designated trails, slippery when wet. Danger, fragile thermal area. This is it, folks. Check this out. We're going to be walking up to the geyser activity that's up there. You guys can see it, there's some smoking area there. It's beautiful though, very beautiful. We'll be walking up close to this geyser looking thing, or hot spring. You can smell the sulfur in here. It's a good thing we have a path to walk on, right? It's boiling water. Oh yeah, here we go. We're gonna be getting closer here. There's a lot of people here. Look at that. See all that? There's a hot spring.
I'm sorry, Zach.
Before one kingdom.
This is what I'm trying to get right here. Look at that. Look at that hot spring. It's like clear water. Coming out of that thing. That looks. Whoa, look at that. That is awesome. It is bubbling. Wow. There, it's bubbling. It's about to blow. Stay here. Wow, that is awesome.